In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows 2026. Step by step, let's get your PC set up to view PDFs safely and for free using the official Adobe Reader installer. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox all work the same for this. In the address bar at the very top, type adobe.com/acrobat/pdf-reader .html, then press enter. This takes you directly to Adobe's official download page. Double check that the address begins with adobe.com and you see the secure padlock icon. This helps you avoid lookalike sites or bundled installers from third parties. On the page, Adobe usually detects your system automatically, including your Windows version and language. If it doesn't, use the drop-downs to choose Windows 10 or Windows 11 on. Pick your preferred language and select Acrobat Reader, ideally the 64-bit version, for better compatibility on modern PCs. Before you download, look for any optional offers Adobe may present, such as extra security tools or browser add-ons. These are not required for Reader to work. Uncheck anything you don't want, so you install only the essentials. Now click the button that says Download Acrobat Reader. Your browser will start fetching the installer. Depending on your internet speed, this can take a minute or two. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose the Downloads folder so it's easy to find later. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file, which will have an .exe extension. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. The installer will connect to Adobe servers, download the necessary components, and then install Reader. Keep your internet connection active, and consider closing other apps to help the process run smoothly. When the progress bar reaches the end, you're done. Click Finish to exit the installer, then launch Adobe Acrobat Reader from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. On first run, you may be asked whether you want Reader to be your default app for PDFs. Choose the option that suits you. If you see a sign-in prompt for additional features, you can skip it if you only need to open and read PDFs. That's it. You've successfully installed Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows, and you're ready to open any PDF with a double click.